You're floating in space, and ahead of you is a black hole, the most mysterious, powerful object in the universe. What happens if you fall in? Let's break it down, step by step. First, as you drift closer, you'd notice things getting weird. Black holes have insanely strong gravity, and it's not just pulling you in, it's stretching you out. Scientists call this spaghettification. Your feet, being closer to the black hole, feel a much stronger pull than your head. So, you'd get stretched longer and thinner, kind of like spaghetti. Not a great way to go, right? But it gets even stranger. From your perspective, time seems to tick along normally. But if someone were watching you from far away, they'd see you slow down, almost like you're moving in slow motion. The closer you get to the event horizon, the point of no return, the slower you appear to move. In fact, right at the edge, it looks like you just freeze in place. Light from you gets stretched and dimmed, fading away until you're invisible. Now, let's say you cross the event horizon. There's no turning back. Inside, the laws of physics as we know them start to break down. Space and time twist and warp. No one really knows what happens next, but the most popular idea is that you'd keep falling, unable to escape, heading toward the singularity, the core of the black hole, where everything is crushed into a single, infinitely dense point. Here's the wild part. All the information about you seems to get lost inside. Your atoms, your memories, everything. But some scientists think it might actually be preserved on the surface of the black hole, encoded in a way we don't fully understand yet. It's one of the biggest mysteries in physics. So, falling into a black hole would mean being stretched, frozen in time, and then crushed out of existence, or maybe not. The truth is, black holes are still full of secrets, and every answer leads to more questions. But one thing's for sure. If you ever spot a black hole, it's best to admire it from a safe distance.